guys, how's it going? My name is Jeff with the Collector Car Network, and today we're going to be taking a look at a 1971 Volkswagen Transporter that has a very interesting theme dubbed the Canna-Bus. But before we get into that, first a quick word from our sponsor.
Today's video is sponsored by Land Air Sea. Keep tabs on all your valuable assets from the palm of your hand. Remember, with Land Air Sea, theft is temporary. Visit landairSea.com to order your Land Air Sea GPS unit for your classic vehicle.
Okay, so today we're going to be taking a look at a 1971 Volkswagen Transporter, but as you can tell from the exterior, this has a very interesting theme. This is the Canna-Bus. So, in the front here, we have a lot of hand-painted graphics that are all over the car, and obviously a Cheech and Chong theme. So, right up front here, we have your local Maui Wowie supplier. You can see we got a spare tire. This particular bus is powered by a 1600cc engine with a 4-speed manual transmission. The Volkswagen Bus is infamous for having a 0 to 60 of eventually. Now, let's go ahead and let's start moving around the side here. We have some red tinted windows. This thing even has a smoke machine included, along with some fake plants on the inside here as we get along to the theme. That interior really smells like it too. This is very authentic in terms of following the theme and committing to everything here at the Barrett-Jackson auction. So what a cool interior. As we keep moving along, we can see we have a little bit of the graphic distorted as the doors close back, but we'll get around to that on the other side here as we keep moving along. Obviously, being a Volkswagen Bus, we do have the engine placed in the rear here. And then we have a lot more graphics, including some of the different options that would be available in the Canna-Bus here. So that's a pretty cool feature, along with the roof rack that comes included. And again, that 4-speed manual transmission. So if we come around to the side here, this is where we get our true experience for the van. You can see we actually have the full logo of the Canna-Bus along with Cheech and Chong on each side of the vehicle. And what a cool theme to commit to, especially because it's actually legal here in Arizona now. So a pretty cool theme that seems to go along with a little bit of everything. And then again, the attention to detail of all the hand-painted graphics is a really unique touch and a fun way to embrace some of the culture that would be associated with the vehicle and everything like that. So that's really a quick look at this vehicle. I think it was something that would be fun to share with you guys. But if you're interested in your own unique collector car, be sure to check out AutoHunter.com, which is our online auction, which has cars going live every single weekday. And of course, ClassicCars.com, our online marketplace with over 33,000 cars live at any moment. So if you guys go ahead and throw a like on this video and let us know what you think below of this crazy inspired vehicle, and get subscribed for future content like this. Thank you so much for watching.